Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Momma, and today I'm going to share with you my new favorite adventure accessory.
This is not your regular cooler. It's a 12-volt portable refrigerator that can keep your food and drinks cold without the mess of ice. Summer season is just getting underway in southern Minnesota, and that means Jeep rides, boat rides, and camping trips. If you're someone who spends long days outdoors, road trips, camping, overlanding, or even kids' sports weekends, this cooler might be a practical option for you. I just started using this cooler and I'm super excited to start using it more this summer on the trail, on the water, and camping. Right away, the 75-liter large capacity is impressive. There is plenty of room for drinks, snacks, meat, sandwiches, and even frozen items. One of my favorite features is the handle and wheels design. Since the cooler is larger, the wheels and heavy-duty handle make it much easier to move around, especially when it's full. The cooling performance is also a big plus. It has both max mode and eco mode. Max mode cools quickly, going from 68 degrees to 32 degrees in about 15 minutes. Eco mode helps saves power, which is really useful on longer trips. I tested the max cooling mode, and the drinks got cold really fast, about 15 minutes to noticeably chill. For Jeep rides or boating days where you don't want to constantly buy ice, this cooler is a huge plus. No melted ice water soaking your food. For my Jeep ride, I wanted to see how it handled bumps and movement. The Bodega cooler has an anti-shake design and can run steadily even when your vehicle is climbing at an angle up to 45 degrees. That makes it a great option for off-road trails, overlanding, and uneven terrain. It also has a low noise operation, running under 43 decibels, so it's not loud or distracting while driving or relaxing at camp. You can use it in your vehicle or at home, and it works with different power sources. You can plug it into your vehicle's 12-volt outlet, a standard home outlet, portable battery, or solar generator, making it really flexible for everyday use, travel, and emergency backup cooling. The flexibility makes it really useful for camping trips, out on the boat, and emergency backup cooling. A few smaller features that I really like: interior LED light makes it easy to find items at night. Another important feature of this Bodega cooler is the 3-level voltage protection. The high, medium, and low settings help protect your vehicle battery from being drained, which is really important when you're using it on the road or at camp. A durable design that feels built for travel. Everything feels thoughtfully designed for real outdoor use. Overall, I think this is a practical upgrade if you spend a lot of time on the road or the trail or in the water. It keeps food fresh, eliminates the hassle of ice, and gives you flexibility for different types of trips. For Jeep adventures, camping, boating, or even long travel days, this cooler adds convenience and reliability. If you like being prepared and comfortable on your adventures, this is definitely worth considering. Like I said, summer season is just getting underway, and I'm going to be using this a lot more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of this Bodega Cooler summer adventure.